How do you stop the iPhone from reading text? Let me show you the options you have available. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. Okay, so what you probably want to do to begin with is to check out the settings app of the iPhone and find the notifications. And one of the things is going to be announce notifications under the Siri section there. And you might have it turned on, so of course, you can completely disable it or at least customize it for example, the headphones or replying with or without the confirmation. And also you have all of the different apps listed below. So for example, you perhaps might like that the notifications are announced for some apps, but perhaps not for messages specifically. So you can go to the messages right here and literally just stop that from happening. So it kind of depends on what you want, on what you prefer, but that is likely the thing which you have in mind. Outside of that, for more privacy when it comes to your notification and text, then you can also check out the previews, which just means that the first part of the message of the text is going to be visible to you when the notification is delivered. In comparison, you can choose it to be like never, meaning that you get a pop-up saying you received just a notification from a message, but you don't see who it's from and or any content of that message. So depends on how private you want to have that, but this is where you can control it. So that's it. I just want to quickly show you that. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon.